So in this video I'm going to show you how to use GeoGebra to solve a system of equations. I'm going to go up to the menu bar, click on View, and choose CAS. That's going to open up a new window in GeoGebra. CAS stands for Computer Algebra System, and I'll work in this window. I don't need algebra, so I'm going to X that window pane and the graphics window pane just to get them out of my way. What I'm going to do now is type a linear equation on line 1. I'll hit enter. That brings me down to line 2. Now I can enter the next equation in my system. And I want to solve the system of equations using these two lines. So I can click on line 1. I'm holding my mouse button down as I drag and highlight line 2. Now that these two lines are selected, I can solve the system that consists of these two equations. I come up to the x equals button and we see that a text box pops up. It says solve. It solves for one or more equations. That's what we want to do. So click on it and we see that the answer to this system is x is 8/7 and y is 9/7. GeoGebra can be used to solve systems with quadratic equations. It can be used to solve systems with 3 or more variables. I'm just going to clear these lines out. I'm going to click and highlight and hit the eraser here just to delete them out. And I'm going to start a new problem. I'll do a system of equations with 3 variables. So I'm typing in my equations. I hit enter to go to the next line. We know that in a system of 3 variables, we need 3 equations in order to get a unique solution. And we also know that we don't need to have 3 variables in all of our equations. So I'm going to click, and this time I'm going to hold the shift button down and go down to the last line I want highlighted. Just to give you a different method for highlighting your lines, you could either click and drag or click and hold down shift and it'll highlight everything in between. Come up to my solve button and here's our solution for the system of 3 variables.